how you doing? Today I am presenting a 3-bedroom bungalow Airbnb inside a gated community in the city of Nakuru. Precisely, this gated community is located at East Gate. East Gate in Nakuru. From here to Barnabas, the business center, is just about 1 kilometer. So we have East Gate in here, and yep, I'm sitting on the garden chair, just in front of the patio. I was about to say patio. Somebody told me patio. Well and good. Mwalimu English anamata, sindio? Exactly. So we're about to go inside and tour this crib. And then if you are a family and you're looking for an Airbnb in Nakuru, if you're a group of individuals, you're looking for a place to stay in Nakuru, if you have come for business trips, maybe you're conferencing and you're looking for a place you guys can stay, well, this 3-bedroom Airbnb that comes with extra mattresses, so it can host up to maybe 10 people. 10 of you, mnaweza kaa tu hapa. There's a grill on the backyard pale, mnaweza choma nyama. So for that and more information, let's go inside and see the home. Name is EZRA ONDARA, content creator based in the city of Nakuru. We do real estate content, house hunting in Nakuru. We do vlogs around Nakuru. We tell stories around and about Nakuru. We promote businesses in Nakuru, and we also provide videography services. Up to that point, let's go inside. Folks, welcome to the lounge. The furnishing is so awesome. You have an 7-seater couch right here, and they are super comfy. I sat on that and I felt them. And then of course, besides that, you can see there is still ample room left, here in the lounge, even for folks to move around. Even when you are maybe doing a party, at least you have, enough space for you to dance. All right, so there is enough natural lighting in the space. Albeit for now, we just put, the lighting on, the chandelier, the wall lamps on, and the snake lights on, and the recessed in lighting in the gypsum on, just to demonstrate to you that, this is the kind of lighting you can expect at night, all right? But natural light is awesome, and especially given the fact that we have an open layout here. So from the lounge to the dining area, it is open, and then from the dining area you can always see the other side on the kitchen, and there is a massive window on that end and windows on that side. So natural lighting is just awesome. And then we have an entertainment system on this end, large TV for entertainment. Most importantly, there is internet in the house and Wi-Fi as well. I mean, internet these days is an essential thing. Sindio. Now, let's go over to the dining area. Like I said, this home is ideal to host families and large groups. So I'm sitting on the dining table right here. So this is an 8-seater dining table, and nicely done as well. The seats are really comfy. I just feel I'm really tucked in, in this seat, okay? And yeah, so from here, on the other side, there's a nice view of the kitchen. So if somebody is on that side of the kitchen, we can actually even have a conversation, really impressive. That, they can set up, ile kama ya hotel style setup on the meza pale for dining. They can do that for you as well. So we have a dispenser right there, strategically placed, so that tukikula hapa, maji iko tu hapa karibu. And then the wall art right there is impressive. More wall lamps here as well. Gypsum again, beautiful. And that central lighting is just amazing. There's a clock there. At least mkiambiwa checkout time is 11. You guys, don't say you didn't check the clock. There's a clock, iko pale kwa ukuta. But it's not like wanawafukuza, you stay as much as you can. But siku ya kutoka kumbuka masaa pia, sindio? Inside the kitchen, first things first, it is such a spacious room. Now, I see ample cabinetry right here. Both, top level cabinetry and the bottom level cabinetry beneath the worktop space, ample worktop space as well. We have enough cookware here. Enough utensils here, even wine glasses, I'm seeing them here. In terms of appliances, We have the 4-burner, gas cooker right here. We have a microwave here. We have a coffee maker. We have a boiling kettle, and we also have a blender, So that's why I said, and a fridge, By the way, there's a refrigerator right there. So that's why I said this home, for somebody, for a family that is looking for a place to stay in Nakuru, or for a group of people looking for a place to stay in Nakuru, especially for long term. If you call me for that, I will highly recommend this home here. Okay, this is that space. Now, moreover, for folks who are in the kitchen, given the way now the dining is open on that end, you can always have conversation. Guys can sit there and you other guys in here and you are conversing, except now the one on the lounge, ako ile pande ingine kule kwa kona, wale hawawezi onana eye to eye, but even just saying, hey, muliona hiyo game, hey, muliona hiyo movie, hey, so this just open concept encourages people to converse. So from the kitchen, there's a door right there, which takes us to the backyard, where I told you guys they even have a grill. So mnaweza kuja jioni pale, mnachoma nyama, bas, sindio? That's how it's supposed to be. All right, folks, so now I'm standing right at the center of this home. So going this side, I'll go to the guest bedrooms. Going that side, I'll go to the primary bedroom. So let's start with the guest bedrooms on this side. 2 of them. So I come through this door, which is lockable, so granting these 2 bedrooms some privacy as well. So we have a common toilet right there at the center. There it is, and out here there is a sink to accompany that. And then on my right we have the first guest bedroom, which is ensuite. Okay, so this one has a 5x6 bed, and well, it is well furnished as well, So I'm seeing 4 pillows and 2 small ones there. Towels are right there on the bed. A throw bed sheet, ama inaitangwa nini hiyo? A throw, okay? It's right there. Yani ni mahali tu comfortable. Wewe kuja tu, unalala, unaamka, unasikia vizuri. Sindio? Exactly. And of course, it has ample wardrobe storage right here. I mean, all of this, is a storage for this. And even in here, there are actually extra towels, extra beddings, etc. The space is just awesomely furnished. Unaona? To put it, to summarize all of that. And then, of course, the ensuite for this bedroom is here with a shower and a toilet seat and also extra sink. Some of the things you expect to find in the bathroom. Yeah, they are well stocked up. Okay, so nikifunga hivi, and I also love how this room is spacious as well. So that being a 5x6 bed, well, you can see, there is ample room in the entire room hapa hivi to move around. And there is an extra mattress tucked on that corner. Yep, like I told you earlier, they even have extra mattresses. So hile, that's a 4x6, inaweza toshea hapa. Yep, kama mmekuja wengi na watu wanalala vizuri, si ndio? Alright, come this side tuende to the other guest bedroom. Here we are, which is also ensuite actually. Similarly, it comes with a 5x6 bed. Whoever made these beds, they know their job. Sijui nani huyu, lakini those beds, they look top quality. The crafting of it inakaa tu top quality. So the beddings again, although this one now has a different theme, the theme of the beddings hapa ni tofauti na ile ingine, which is okay. Again, ample space in the wardrobes. This one has 2 massive windows, so natural light in the room. It's awesome. Then every room as well has got this dirty clothes bucket. Okay, it is here for putting the dirty clothes. And like I said, it is ensuite. The ensuite is right here. Okay, exactly. So mambo iko namna hiyo. And there are even those side bed drawers. Ziko hapo. This one has, and even the other one had one as well. So mpaka hapo tuende kwa master bedroom. Huko sasa ndo kuna mambo. inside the primary bedroom or the master bedroom. First things first, let's look at the bed. It is a comfy 6x6 bed, you know, nicely decorated. It's impressive actually. Throw bedding as well is right there. We have an ottoman here, which also acts as a, storage. It doubles up inside the storage. Ukieka hivi, it's almost like a seat. This one here, really impressive inside the primary bedroom. Hey. Ule mwenye atapewa primary bedroom, if you come as a family, of course, the parents will enjoy here. If you come as a group, sasa maybe CEO ndo mtapatia master bedroom, ama mdosi wenu ndo mtasema sasa mdosi wenu chukua tu the maskani ya master bedroom. Now, natural light here. There's a massive window on this end and another one on pale. And then in the master bedroom, I've seen we have this laundry table. I didn't see one on the other side, but maybe, it can be shared. Maybe you akitumia, anapeana wale wengine waende watumie, because this is the only one I've seen in terms of laundry. Did you see a laundry table on the other beds, on the other bedrooms? Yeah. So this one has got 2 side bed drawers, and the way they were made. Wow, this is great quality. The side bed drawers here, well, zinakaa supo sana. Yeah, now in the primary bedroom, we have a workstation. There we go. Me with my laptop, watching my content here. This is Kilimani Nakuru. Exactly. So you can just sit here with your laptop. Ukifanya kazi yako pale pole pole. Unaona, so that's why nimesema huku, just an amazing space. Amazing, honestly. Okay, so that one you have seen, the workstation. And then, look at the amount of wardrobes sasa ambazo ziko kwa the master bedroom. More than enough. Okay, that's why, like I told you guys, come for longer stays. That's when you will enjoy all the amenities in this home. Come for longer stays. Lakini ataka unakuja siku moja ni sawa tu. So on this end, it is the ensuite of the primary bedroom. There is a shower on the far end, a toilet seat in the middle, and a sink right here. So there's a besheni hapo with the sandals, the bathing sandals ziko pale. It's just it is a neat space, especially, iko neat kabisa. These are bathroom here. And I also love how spacious this one is, And kutoka hapa naweza chungulia tu hivi, naangalia kule nje kwa parking. Speaking about nje, I think it's high time now we go outside and we conclude. Freddy, kwa kitu ngine imebaki baba? Maybe I can tell them those beautiful 2 wall lamps kule juu, and even gypsum steel. It's done even in the primary bedroom. Recessed in lighting, central lighting, the wall lamps at least usiku for ambient lighting. There's a massive dressing mirror right there. I'm seeing there's another mirror just outside this master bedroom. Yep, and the mirrors, people said they make the home look bigger, which is kind of true, because you're seeing yourself it's like you're also on the other side. So it creates the impression, it's psychological, All right. Yep, and we are out here now. Behind me, that is our home. You can see how beautiful it is, the facade right there. And then we have ample parking. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 cars will park in the compound. Well, there is extra parking on the driveway hapo, just along the driveway. If you have more cars, they can always park there as well. So call the number on the screen to book your nights at this beautiful 3-bedroom Airbnb bungalow inside a gated community at Eastgate Nakuru. Yeah, Eastgate Nakuru. Nishasema. Okay, see you in the next one.